Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel Hope in Loops. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for getting updates of new videos. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful crochet sunflower earrings. At first, we are going to make the brown center. Take the brown colored yarn and make a magic ring. We will secure the magic ring with a slip stitch. In the magic ring, we are going to do 5 single crochets. We will pull the tail to make the ring smaller. We are going to complete this round with a slip stitch with the first single crochet of this round followed by a chain 1. In the second round, we are going to have 2 single crochet stitches in each of the stitches of the previous round. Okay, so in the last round we had 5 single crochets. So in the second round, if we are going to have 2 single crochet in each of the stitches of the previous round, then the total number of stitches in this round are going to be 10. Complete this round by a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch of this round followed by a chain 1. Moving on to the third round. In the first stitch of the previous round we are going to have 1 single crochet, and in the second stitch we are going to have 2 single crochet. Again, in the third stitch we are going to have 1 single crochet, and in the fourth stitch we are going to have 2 single crochets. This is going to be the order of the stitches, that is 1 single crochet followed by 2 single crochet and then again 1 single crochet. We will quickly complete this round. There are total of 15 single crochet stitches in this round. Complete this round with a slip stitch with the first single crochet stitch of this round followed by a chain 1. Now we will begin the last round. In the first single crochet stitch, do 1 single crochet. In the second single crochet stitch, we are going to do 1 single crochet. In the third single crochet stitch, we are going to do 2 single crochets. So this is the order: 1 single crochet followed by 1 single crochet followed by 2 single crochets. So repeat this till you reach the end of this round. Finally, complete this round by a slip stitch with the first single crochet of this round, followed by chain 1, and after that cut the yarn. Okay, so we have completed the brown center. Now we will begin the yellow colored petal. We are going to take the yellow colored thread and make a slip knot and insert the hook in it. Then insert the hook into any of the stitches of the brown colored center, and after that we will slip stitch and do a chain 1. In the next stitch we are going to do a single crochet and a half double crochet. In the next stitch do 1 double crochet followed by another double crochet followed by a chain 2 and then again a double crochet in the same stitch. Then in the next stitch we are going to do a half double crochet followed by a single crochet. And finally in the following stitch a slip stitch followed by chain 1. So we completed our first petal. In the similar way we are going to do our next petal, that is in the following stitch a single crochet and a half double crochet followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch, chain 2 and again a double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch we are going to do a half double crochet followed by a single crochet, and then in the next stitch a slip stitch and a chain 1, and we completed our 2 petals. Now we will continue doing our remaining petals of this round in the same way till we reach the end. We are quickly going to complete the last petal of this round. After the single crochet, we will complete this round by a slip stitch into the first chain 1 we did at the beginning of this round, followed by chain 3. In this round we are going to make the base of the second layer of petals of our sunflower. After the chain 3 we are going to slip stitch into the next chain 1 space, that is the chain 1 space after the first petal. Okay. After the slip stitch we will bring the petal forward as shown, followed by a chain 3. Again slip stitch into the next chain 1 space after the petal. Okay. And then after the slip stitch bring the petal forward. followed by chain 3. In the same way, we are going to make the remaining chain 3 bases for our next layer of petals. We complete this round with a slip stitch into the first chain 1 space followed by chain 1. So our 5 base is ready for the second layer of our petals. We will begin our first petal. So in the chain 3 space, firstly do a single crochet followed by a half double crochet followed by a double crochet, then a half treble crochet, then a treble crochet. We are going to do a chain 2 picot followed by a half treble crochet, then we are going to do a double crochet followed by a half double crochet, then a single crochet. So our first petal is ready, and we will move on to the next chain 3 space and begin our second petal in the same way. That is a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a half treble crochet, then a treble crochet followed by chain 2 picot, and then again a half treble crochet followed by a double crochet, a half double crochet, and then a single crochet. So our second petal is also ready, and in this way we will complete all the petals, and finally we are at our last petal. In the similar way we will do the last petal too. The single crochet, we will quickly slip stitch into the following chain 3 space, that is the first chain 3 space of the previous round, and then we will do a chain 1 and then finally cut the yarn, and our flower is ready. You can simply attach a earring hook to it and make it a ring. The green portion is not required, but since I have already done the petal with green leaves, so I'll also do a tutorial on how to make the leaf with the stem. So carry on with the video. Insert the hook into the slip knot, okay, and make chain 7. Tighten the last chain, and into the second chain from the hook we are going to do a slip stitch. Followed by a single crochet. in the following stitch we are going to do 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, a half double crochet, followed by a single crochet in the next stitch, and in the last stitch we are going to do a slip stitch. So this was the first half of the green leaf. Now we are going to do the stitches in the opposite half of the leaf as shown. So in the next stitch a single crochet, followed by a half double crochet in the next stitch, followed by 2 double crochets in the next stitch, then a single crochet, finally a slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1. Now after the chain 1 you will do either 7 or 10 chains or any number of chains depending on the length of the leaf you want. Okay, so it was the tutorial of the leaf 2. Insert the beads in the stem of the leaves. The color should be your choice. After that we are going to attach all the stems together with the knot. Just tie up the stems, and finally after that we are going to attach all the 3 stems to our sunflower by a knot and by gum. So finally our crochet sunflower earrings are ready. Just attach the hook and get it done. Very beautiful earrings. You can carry it with any contrasting colored outfit, and especially it's very classy. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.